Alright, let's take a look at this 220 MHz BCR-220 repeater. This repeater is great for amateur users. This repeater is capable of 30 watts continuous duty power output, and that's real 30 watts continuous duty. It will not fall down. You can run it at 30 watts all day with no problems. As well as the internal transmit and receive modules, it also comes with an internal power supply and an internal controller already in the box, so you don't have to go and buy additional ones. This repeater runs on a standard AC connection, just plug it straight into your wall. It also has a 13.8 volt DC battery backup, and it will actually trickle charge the battery with the AC connection if it's all attached. It will also change between power supplies in case one falls down, so you never have to worry about your repeater running out of juice. This repeater has a 25-pin accessory connector on the back, so you can plug it into your favorite controllers like a CAT, SCOM, RCOM, or virtually any other controller on the market. This repeater is completely digital ready. With our MMDVM board, you can configure it for your favorite digital mode. And the best part is, when you order this repeater from BridgeCom, it comes completely plug and play set up for you. So we'll program in your frequencies, tone, call sign, power, digital mode, whatever you want. We'll set it up at no additional charge, so it arrives at your door ready to plug and play. You can also purchase our BCR programming kit, which includes the software and cable to make the super easy programming even easier. And you can buy our BC hand mic to turn your repeater into a base station or make calls directly from the repeater. Also, if you're looking for a duplexer to complement your BCR repeater, please check out our duplexers page where we have a great selection of duplexers available. This repeater is proudly made in the United States of America. Also, when you get a BCR repeater, you're just a phone call away from talking to one of our friendly American technicians who are experts on this repeater and will get you taken care of. If you have any more questions about this repeater or would like to order, please check out online or give us a call at 816-532-8451 and press 1 for sales. I'd love to answer your questions and help you with anything I can. Thanks guys, 7-3.